Welcome to AI for Business, the podcast where we bring you the latest AI news and AI tools that matter. In today's episode, we'll dive into OpenAI's new coding agent, explore University of London research on AI developing social norms, and highlight Microsoft's new partnerships to host rival AI models. Then, we'll share an AI tool that helps you write email campaigns and newsletters, and share a prompt tip to push AI to do better by making it prove it's not replaceable. Let's talk about OpenAI's new coding agent that's gaining attention in the software development space. OpenAI has released a research preview of Codex for ChatGPT Pro, Enterprise, and Team users. They describe it as their most advanced AI-powered coding assistant so far, and say it could eventually act as a virtual teammate for developers. It can handle coding tasks that would usually take human engineers hours or even days. It's powered by Codex 1, a version of OpenAI's O3 reasoning model tailored for software engineering, which allows it to produce cleaner code, follow instructions more accurately, and run tests to check for errors. It's available through the ChatGPT sidebar, where users can assign tasks by typing a prompt and clicking Code, or ask questions about their codebase by clicking Ask. Each task runs separately in a secure environment that already includes your codebase. Now let's shift our attention to some new research from the University of London that reveals something surprising about AI systems. Scientists have found that AI agents can develop shared social rules and group behaviors just by interacting with each other, without any central control, similar to how people create social norms in communities. In the study, researchers ran naming games, where groups of AI agents were randomly paired to choose labels. Agents earned rewards when their choices matched, and faced penalties when they didn't. Even with limited memory and no awareness of being part of a larger group, the agents still formed shared conventions across the population. Group-level patterns also appeared through these interactions, even though the agents started with no clear preferences. One of the key findings was that small, determined subgroups of agents could shift the behavior of the entire group. These tipping points closely resemble the kinds of social changes seen among humans. This has important meaning for how we think about future AI systems that will interact across the internet. As these systems begin to coordinate, cooperate, and make decisions together, deeper group behaviors may form in ways we didn't expect. Just as social norms guide people, these new AI behaviors could shape how systems act together. Microsoft has made a significant shift in the AI space, announcing that it will now offer rival AI models directly from its data centers. The company will host models developed by Elon Musk's xAI Meta platforms and European startups Mistral and Black Forest Labs, all with the same reliability guarantees as the OpenAI models already supported by Microsoft. CEO Satya Nadella explained that this approach gives developers greater flexibility, allowing them to choose and combine models based on their specific needs. The decision signals a more neutral stance from Microsoft, which appears less focused on relying solely on OpenAI despite its large investment. Microsoft also introduced a new AI coding agent through GitHub Copilot that works more independently than earlier versions. It can take general instructions, such as a bug description and suggested fix, and carry out the task on its own, only notifying the user when it's done. Microsoft also outlined its plan to let businesses create custom AI agents using a new service called Azure Foundry. This tool allows organizations to build agents using whichever model best fits their goals, drawing from a catalog of more than 1,900 models now available on Microsoft's cloud platform. Today's AI tool to try is Hoppy. If you often spend too much time writing email marketing content, this tool can help. Unlike full email marketing platforms, Hoppy focuses only on creating the email itself, from campaigns, newsletters, and sequences. Hoppy uses artificial intelligence to quickly generate email drafts tailored to your audience. Whether you're announcing a new product, sending a regular update, or building a welcome sequence for new subscribers, the tool can produce content that fits your brand voice. Link to try in the description. The prompt tip for today is called the competitive challenge technique. This method works by framing your prompt as if the AI is going up against a rival, even itself. Instead of asking directly for ad copy, for instance, you could say, "You're an ad copywriter who just got told AI writes better than you. Prove them wrong. Write a carousel script that beats your AI rival. Punchier, smarter, more human." This kind of framing encourages the AI to produce responses with more energy, creativity, and personality. Adding a sense of competition and pride helps prompt the system to simulate qualities we often associate with strong human writing. That brings us to the end of today's episode of AI for Business. If you found today's AI news and insights helpful, please subscribe to our podcast so you never miss an episode. If someone in your network is looking to stay ahead with AI for business, share this episode with them. And if you've been enjoying the show, we'd love it if you could leave us a review on your favorite podcast platform. It helps others discover the podcast and lets us know what content matters most to you. Thanks for listening. We'll catch you tomorrow with more AI news and AI tools to help you stay ahead.